It is the 18th of July, this 2016. I am Ralph Turchiano, and I'm here to present to you the top 3 health headlines over the past 7 days. Starting off with number 1. Gut bacteria can cause, predict, and prevent rheumatoid arthritis. Wouldn't it be wonderful if just something as simple as that? What researchers discovered was as follows. The team identified intestinal bacteria as a possible cause. Their studies indicate that testing for specific microbiota in the gut can help physicians predict and prevent the onset of rheumatoid arthritis. What this actually was the combination of 2 studies. One of the studies showed what causes rheumatoid arthritis in regard to gut bacteria. The other showed certain bacteria that may help prevent it. I listed both the DOI citations, or to the layman's term, the research, in case you wanted to bring this to your medical professional in order to look into something in conjunction with them in regard to your health. So you may want to take this moment and pause the video to record the DOI citations so you can look into it a little bit further. All right, number 2, but still fascinating just the same. We're looking at viruses revealed to be a major driver of human evolution. So viruses are not just a negative thing, it is what is required for us to advance physically, so to say. The findings suggest an astonishing 30% of all protein adaptations since humans' divergence with chimpanzees, is their words, not mine, have been driven by viruses. All organisms have been living with viruses for billions of years. This work shows that those interactions have affected every part of the cell. The big advancement here is that it's not only very specialized immune proteins that adapt against viruses, pretty much any type of protein that comes in contact with viruses can participate in the adaptation against viruses, which helps with the evolution. It turns out there is at least as much adaptation outside the immune response as within it. Now, that's going to play a huge role as far as virus theory, that all viruses are not bad, that viruses may be a crucial part of our ability to adapt to certain circumstances. Something to think about, especially when it comes to vaccines and things along those research lines. Number 3, Milestone study on pomegranate anti-aging mechanism. This is actually kind of interesting because pomegranate works in a way which you could never imagine. There's something in pomegranate called urolithin A, is generated by gut microflora as a natural metabolite of ellagitanins, I should say, a classic compound found in pomegranate and other fruits and nuts. Oral administration of urolithin A leads to what's called an improved mitochondrial function by stimulating what's called mitophagy, a process by which damaged mitochondria are recycled to permit a renewal with healthy mitochondria. Basically, the body's getting rid of the old junk and replacing it with new healthy stuff. Mitophagy declines in cells as we age, meaning this junk begins to build up. And the reduction in mitochondrial function in the muscles of the elderly is thought to be one of the main causes of age-related muscle impairment, something outside of testosterone and hormones. We believe, the researchers say, in their words, our research uncovering the health benefits of urolithin A, if I get the pronunciation down right today, holds promise in reversing, their words, not mine, reversing muscle aging. That is a huge feather in the cap, at least in regard to pomegranate itself, that you could actually basically reestablish this detox mechanism just by something as simple as consuming pomegranate. Again, that's the top 3 health headlines of the past 7 days. As always, I appreciate you guys listening, and I will see you all next week. Ralph Turchiano signing off once again. Thank you.